I'm Caroline Flores from Civic Leadership Academy, and my week with Melissa Ivy from Her Many Voices has been a very, very, very good experience. I've enjoyed all of my time with her. I've came to every single day that she's been here. I didn't want to miss one. And just having her here helped us grow as musicians, because when I used to try to write songs, it would never really work because I didn't know how to do things, how to make it rhyme or not rhyme. I would get upset when they couldn't rhyme, but now I know that they don't have to. It's just, well, they have to, but it just sounds better like that. But I know how to make it work for myself and how to really let my emotions and my feelings and everything that I want to put out without saying it on paper so I can sing it. And that's been a really good experience for me to know that somebody's here, somebody's caring enough to take time out of their day to come after school for like 3 hours just to spend time with a bunch of teenagers and write music, which is what we love to do and what we hope to do for the future. And it just helps us grow as musicians.